Well, having lived and breathed this case since really May of 2016 and the evolution of the evidence as it was being gathered and as we were just making those discoveries, I was certainly convinced that we had what we needed in order to secure the conviction. There really was never a time, although I never walk into a case with the idea that it's going to be easy. Every case has issues, and we dealt with some issues along the way. But at the end of the day, I stuck with my game plan and felt that it was going to be strong enough to get a guilty verdict. Again, it was really just, I guess, a satisfaction that what investigators were able to put together for me, ultimately what I was able to do with what they put together and put it in a fashion that presented a case to show the jury we had the evidence to prove this case beyond a reasonable doubt. That to me, once you hear that the jury says, yes, we agree with you, we're finding him guilty of these charges, to me, that just the satisfaction of knowing that all that hard work, all that energy was put to good use. I mean, certainly the discovery of the .22 handgun in the van, that was a key discovery. Ultimately the discovery of Rebecca's DNA profile on a glove that was inside a toolbox that was inside the van, that was pretty key as well. And ultimately, the DNA evidence of the defendant on a lot of pieces of evidence in the van, but most importantly on the handgun itself. To me, those were really key pieces that I think ultimately helped the jury make the decision that they did. Listen, this community is awesome. Muskegon County and the people that live and work and play here have a strong sense of pride. And I certainly have felt that over the 18 years that I've had the opportunity to live and work in this community, that they really, when something bad happens like this, they really rally around and support where the support is needed. And that's even true when I started this case in October, that very first day. I certainly have a circle of friends that were supporting me, but I was even being approached by people that I didn't know, who were indicating that they were supporting and thinking of me and praying for me. And that to me, again, speaks to what Muskegon County is all about and why I love this community and why I will fight for this community any chance that I get.